hi guys and gals, it's me George, the shade tree fix-it man. And man, is it a blustery day here in Dodge Center. I think I saw Tigger flying by, and I saw Christopher Robin going by, and of course that guy that's full of fluff. No, not me, not me, not me. You know who I mean. That little round bear. Anyway, I'm going to do some work on these lawnmowers today, and rather than unloading the goofy cart lift, I'm going back to the old school lift. And I think the first one I'm going to do this one here. It ran okay, but it's leaking gas, and so I figured I think it's just a fuel line going into it, but we'll see. So, first thing to do, get it loaded up. Some of you guys that have been around for a while, you'll remember this lift. A lot of my newer subscribers won't have a clue. That's why I thought maybe I'd do it for the sake of both memory lane for the old school guys and new stuff for the new guys. You know what I mean? What this lift is originally, it was a wheelchair lift from that they used to mount in the back of vans, you know? I got it off of Craigslist. It had been listed for $100 and nobody was taking it. So I called the guy and told him I didn't have any money at the time. Wondered if he'd come down on his price, or I didn't have much money. And he said, I'm moving, I need to get rid of it. So if you come and take it out of my garage, it's been sitting here for a long time, you can have it. So that's what I did. I went and got it out of his garage. And see how I'm going to hook this up. Works different on every lawnmower. It's on the place where you can hook it. All right. Up she goes. Whoa, oh, she goes. So up 109 pounds more, not bad. Right, we're working on this goes. Wrap. Not much in front. No, not there. It's in front of it there.